everyone, these are the Garvee 8,000 pound heavy duty vehicle ramps. The vehicle ramps are designed for getting the vehicle elevation up once you get on it, so you can do some work on it. These ramps are super solid. What's really nice about these is the length, but also the area where the tire tread go into. A lot of times vehicle ramps are a lot skinnier than this, and the tread doesn't completely fit up on it. These are 13 inches wide, and then they have a 12.5 inch tread area, which makes it nice. So most tire treads, now that they are wider than they used to be, will fit up on these ramps. And also, once they get on there securely, they won't try to push the ramp along. On the ramp side of it, you can see that they have holes here punched in, and these are also concaved up for grip as you're going along, to grip onto the tire, so you have a nice grip surface to come up on. At the top of the ramp, you have a nice divot here, so the tire will fit in there securely, so you don't have to have anything wonky going on while you're working on it, your vehicle backing off. Everything is securely in place. Now, if you do put the vehicle on ramp, make sure you do use wheel chocks on the back wheels or the front wheels, whichever you have on the ground. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my Chevy. I'm going to put that up on these ramps, see how they do. All right, I got my Chevy 2500 HD Duramax diesel here. A lot of engine weight in the front of it. I'm going to go ahead and run these up on the ramps, see how they do. Alright, you can see that the ramps work great. This is a heavy truck, heavy front end with a big diesel motor in it, a lot of weight up front, and the ramps are taking it like a champ. I do have my wheels in the groove, and they're holding that fine. These would work a little bit better if you're on a dirt surface where you won't get that scoot like I had on it, but it's still no problem once the weight got on the ramp. Up she went. All right, again, these are the Garvee 8,000 pound heavy duty all steel ramps. If you're looking for a great ramp, definitely get Garvee.